Mobile phone cameras have come a long way in the past few years, and many of them can now produce pictures that are just as good as those taken with a traditional camera. But taking amazing pictures with your mobile phone requires a little bit of skill and knowledge. In this video, we'll share some tips that will help you take amazing pictures using your mobile phone. Tip 1. Use natural light. It is the most important factor when it comes to taking great pictures. Try to use natural light whenever possible, as it will give your pictures a more natural look. Avoid using your phone's flash, as it can produce harsh shadows and make your pictures look unnatural. Tip 2. Clean your lens before taking any pictures. Make sure your lens is clean. Mobile phone cameras are prone to getting dirty, and any smudges or fingerprints on the lens can ruin your pictures. Use a soft cloth to clean the lens before taking any pictures. Tip 3. Use the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a basic principle of photography that can help you create more interesting and visually appealing pictures. To use the rule of thirds, imagine your phone screen is divided into a grid of 9 equal parts, and try to position the subject of your picture along the lines or at the intersections of the grid. Tip 4. Get close to your subject. Mobile phone cameras have a fixed focal length, which means they can't zoom in or out like a traditional camera. To get closer to your subject, physically move closer to it. This will help you capture more detail and create a more interesting picture. Tip 5. Experiment with angles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles when taking pictures with your mobile phone. Try shooting from a low or high angle, or from different sides of your subject. Changing your angle can help you create more unique and interesting pictures. By following these tips, you can take amazing pictures using your mobile phone. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be able to capture stunning images that you'll be proud to share with others.